Hi, everyone. Welcome to Daily Simple Chinese with Lin and Leo.
你们好,你们好. Hello, everyone.
Wait, Lin, you just said something in Chinese already.
Yes, I said 你们好, which means hello, everyone.
That sounds perfect for the beginning of a lesson.
Exactly. And today, you'll learn how to say hello in Chinese.
Great. I know many people say ni hao, but I want to say it correctly and naturally.
Perfect. Today, we'll go slowly. You'll learn 你好, 您好, and 你们好.
So, 3 ways to say hello?
Yes. One normal, one polite, and one for many people. Let's start with the most common one. 你好,你好. Hello.
Ni hao.
Good. Let's say it slowly. 你 you.
Ni
好 Good.
hao.
Now together. 你好 Hello.
Ni hao.
Very good.
So, ni hao literally means you good?
Yes. Literally, 你 means you, and 好 means good. But naturally, 你好 means hello.
That's simple. I like it.
Chinese can be very simple at the beginning. Now, repeat after me. Listen first, then repeat. 你好你好你好你好
Ni hao.
Great! One more time, a little smoother. 你好你好
Ni hao.
Nice!
Can I say ni hao to everyone?
Good question. You can use 你好 in many normal situations.
Like with a friend?
Yes, with a friend, a classmate, or someone around your age. 你好 is very natural.
So if I meet a new friend, I can say ni hao, hello,
Exactly.
and they can answer
你好hello. Let's try a tiny dialogue. 你好 Leo. 你好 Leo. Hello Leo.
ni hao Lin, hello Lin.
Very good. Simple and natural.
That already feels like a real conversation. But what if I meet a teacher or someone older than me?
Then you can use a more polite hello.
A polite hello?
Yes. Listen. 您好您好 Hello. Polite form.
Min hao.
Good. Again. 您好您好
Nin hao.
Very nice.
So ni hao and nin hao both mean hello?
Yes. But 你好 is normal and 您好 is more polite. Let's compare. 你 you.
Ni,
您 you. Polite form.
nin.
Good. 你 is normal you. 您 is polite you.
So ni hao means hello, and nin hao means hello politely.
Exactly.
When should I say nin hao?
You can say 您好 to an older person, a teacher, a boss, a client, or someone you want to show respect to.
So if I meet my teacher, I should say nin hao, hello.
Perfect. Now, let's try a polite dialogue. Imagine I am your teacher.
Okay. 您好老师. 您好老师. Hello teacher.
你好 Leo. 你好 Leo. Hello Leo.
Wait. I said 您好 to you, but you said 你好 to me.
Good observation. A student can say 您好 to a teacher to be polite. The teacher can say 你好 to the student naturally.
That makes sense.
Let's compare again. 你好你好 Hello. 您好您好 Hello. Polite form.
你好 is friendly. 您好 is polite.
Exactly.
So with a friend, I say 你好.
Right.
With a teacher, I can say 您好.
Right again.
At the beginning, you said 你们好. What does that mean?
你们好 means hello everyone, or hello to you all.
Can you say it slowly?
Of course. 你们好.你们好. Hello everyone.
你们好.
Good. 你 means you. 你们 means you all. 好 means good.
So 你们好 means hello everyone.
Exactly.
That's useful for videos, classes, or groups.
Yes. If you speak to many people, you can say 你们好. Now let's practice all three. First, normal hello. 你好.你好. Again. 你好.你好. Now, polite hello. 您好.您好. Again. 您好.您好. Now, hello everyone. 你们好.你们好. Again. 你们好.你们好.
Okay, I can say 3 kinds of hello now.
Yes, that's a great start.
Let me check if I understand.
Go ahead.
If I meet a new friend, I say 你好,你好.
Correct.
If I meet my teacher, I say 您好,您好.
Very good.
If I speak to many people, I say 你们好,你们好.
Excellent. Let's review today's phrases. 你好,你好. Hello.
你好,你好. Hello.
您好,您好. Hello. Polite form.
您好,您好. Hello. Polite form.
你们好,你们好. Hello everyone.
你们好,你们好. Hello everyone.
Great job.
So today I learned 你好 means hello. 您好 means polite hello. 你们好 means hello everyone.
Exactly. Your tiny homework today is simple. Say 你好 3 times. Then say 您好 3 times. And finally, say 你们好 3 times.
I'll try it now. 你好,您好,你们好.
Very good, Leo.
In the next lesson, can we learn how to ask, how are you?
Yes. Next time, we'll learn 你好吗?你好吗? How are you?
Great. See you in the next lesson.
再见.
Bye.